Today we're checking out the two-story Harvest floor plan by FH Development Group. It's a great value. They're building one next door that's almost complete as well. I really hope you enjoy this one. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm John Murray, a Halifax Realtor with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now what I do on my channel is I visit all the new developments going up all around and outside the city of Halifax, and I give new construction walkthroughs so you can get to know all the floor plans by the builders we have here. If you're interested in this or thinking about moving, buying, or selling, do me a huge favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the notification button to make sure you stay up to date with everything that's happening in all these new developments. I'm here today at the Orchards, a scenic lifestyle subdivision in Mount Uniacke. Now, if you don't know where this is, we are 38 kilometers northwest of Halifax. We're about 35 minutes to downtown, 20 minutes from Bedford, and about 15 minutes into the main commercial hub of Sackville. Now, for your everyday essentials, Mount Uniacke will have you covered. There's stores out here, an NSLC, which is a liquor store. There's also a medical center here as well. But for your main shopping, you're gonna need to go into Sackville. Now, we are just off exit 3 of the 101, so we're about 5 minutes in from exit 3. The 101 is the highway that goes down to Nova Scotia's Annapolis Valley. So if you're someone that likes to go visit down Wolfville or Kentville, this is a great access point to go down there. This neighborhood is definitely for people that want a little bit of privacy and some acreage, as most of the lots average between 1.2 and 3.5 acres. And of course, because we are out this way, you are gonna be on well and septic, and as I always say, it's nothing to worry about. One of the big draws here is its proximity to the Uniacke East Museum Park and its trail system. Also, you have Uniacke Pines Golf Course nearby. Now, personally, I find that the Uniacke area sometimes gets overlooked, but it is a great bang for your buck out here. We're technically in East Hants as we cross the county lines from Halifax, but we're only 5 minutes from a great development like Indigo Shores as well, where you're gonna spend a bit more money for a new build than you are here. Finally, I'm gonna put the schools up on the screen for you to see. As always, please reach out with any questions. This subdivision is almost complete. There's only a few lots left. So if you are seeing this and it's too late, I'm sorry, but give me a call. You never know what will pop up in resale if you do like this area. Okay, so before we go inside to check out this Harvest floor plan by FH Development Group, I did want to let you know a couple things. One, again, I don't represent any of the builders on the channel. It's a great cooperation I have through their listing agents and the builders themselves that allow me access to provide you these tours. Number two, they are actually building an identical model to this right next door. It's just running 2 weeks behind this one. And the bad news is this is the end of the development. It's the middle of March 2026. So there's a good chance by the time you're watching this, these might be sold. If you do like the floor plan though, just give me a call. I will let you know where they're building it next or where you could get it built. I hope you enjoy the tour. All right, today we're checking out the Harvest floor plan by FH Development. Now, as I mentioned in the video, it's the middle of March 2026 and they are building an identical model next door. It's just 2 weeks behind this. So if you do see this in time, feel free to reach out. But if you're watching it many years down the road, again, the idea is to focus on the floor plan. So you're gonna see here, we have a single car garage. It is a 2-story home. It's 4-bed, 3.5 bath. It's 2,391 square feet. And we're currently on a 2-acre lot here. And the price point is $664,900. So if you got this model a little closer to the city, it would be more expensive, but the further out, it becomes a really great value for the price point here. Now you can see we have a covered front porch with black metal spindles on the lumber, okay? I love a front porch to sit out and enjoy a little bit of sunshine. I'm gonna go on in and kick my shoes off outside. So, as you can see, this opens right into the living room / dining room area and your kitchen. But we're gonna hang just left here because depending on if you use your garage for an entryway or not, would depend how you enter the home. So I'll give you a look at the garage first. It is a single car garage, but it's quite big actually for a single. It's not jammed in like you do see on some of these single car garages. It's got a little bit more space. If you want to know the dimensions, just reach out. I'm happy to share the floor plans with you. So you would come into this mudroom entrance here if you did use your garage. So it's a locker there. And over to the left, this is tile flooring, obviously. Ceramic tile, I believe. You have a powder room right here. So again, this is your front porch right here. You've got a toilet. And your sink. And a slider door right here. I don't need to open and shut it for you. You know what that is. And you've got a coat closet right here as well. So yeah, even if you did use this front entryway door, if you put a mat down, obviously you could just tuck right into your mudroom and your closet and stuff around the corner here. Now, if it is your first time watching my channel in this tour, if you've made it this far, you're obviously somewhat interested in new construction or just homes in general. I help people like you every week, so don't be shy to reach out, and I'd be honored to take you through some homes or talk about new construction or resale. And if you already have a realtor, that's cool too, but I'm here to provide value. So I'm gonna continue on into the kitchen here and just give you a spin around before I keep talking. So you get nice big windows looking out to your front here. This is an electric fireplace as well. Okay. You got quartz countertop here. Now FH does do upgrades where if you wanted to do a waterfall island, you could do that. I think it's $3,200 plus tax, if I remember correctly. Obviously there's no appliances here, so you'll need to, you can discuss with the builder if you want to add one of their appliance packages, or you can put in your own. Nice view out here. If you like privacy, this Mount Uniacke area is great because it's just not as expensive. You could go 5 minutes down the highway into Indigo Shores and it's a lot more expensive than here. But you don't mind the extra 5 minutes. I mean, Mount Uniacke can be a great area. So you've got your pantry here, a little hidden pantry in the kitchen. Okay. Obviously this would be where your stove would go, your fridge over there. Give the cupboard a shut. They are soft close. Lots of space down your kitchen island. Spot for your dishwasher over there. And really, it depends how you want to use this. You could use this as your dining area, or you could use that as your dining area. Practically, a lot of people might use their sofa here and put the TV up above the fireplace, but it's your home, you can do what you want with it. See, they have baseboard heating, and they've got their ductless heat pumps. So again, these ductless heat pumps are great for efficiency. They're gonna keep your house warm in the winter, cool in the summer, and keep your bills reasonable. Have a nice back deck here as well. Look at that. Nice and quiet today. Your island is wired by code, so it is bolted in, just if you are curious. And the flooring we're on here in the main area is laminate flooring. Now we're gonna have carpet going down to the basement. If you've seen any of my videos and heard me mention, you know I love carpet on the stairs going to the bottom level, especially in the winter. So again, we have laminate. We're gonna turn the corner here. You're gonna have a full bath here to the right, a rec room and another bedroom, and then your utility room right there. So you can see here, lots of shelving, your vanity, and your tub shower combo. You've got a nice big rec room or extra family room. You got baseboard heating down here. Here is your 4th bedroom. It's a good size. Great space for guests or older children. Or home office. So you have a walkout to your backyard also. Okay, this would come out just under the deck. You can see. You also have a nice closet right here. You're gonna have understairs storage here. Understairs storage is certainly not sexy, but it is very useful. Keep your paints, other things, holiday supplies. And your utility room here. So you've got your air exchanger there, your hot water tank, your pump for your well. Looks like a rough in for laundry down here as well. Possibly, this could be used for a guest suite. I didn't notice that on the listing cut, I'm gonna be honest. A guest suite is not the same as a legal secondary suite, just keep that in mind. But they have all the makings of a spot where you could have someone staying here. A family member or a friend. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's go back upstairs. I'm gonna head all the way up to the top floor. Again, my information will be on screen. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. If you like this floor plan, I'm more than happy to find out where you can have it built. And I'll give you those details. FH is a great builder. They were Builder of the Year not too long ago here, 5 or 6 years ago. I do really like the quality of their homes. So this appears to be hardwood on the stairs going up. Now the layout when you get to the top of the stairs, straight ahead is your laundry room. To the right at the foot of the stairs here is your primary bedroom. You have bedrooms 2, main bath, and then bedroom 3. So we'll tuck around the corner, go into the 3rd bedroom here. So this bedroom faces the back of the house. They're good sized bedrooms. This closet is actually just up a step. It's nice and deep. You could probably put more hangers on each side if you really wanted to. If you wanted to put a rod across. And the 2nd bedroom's across the hallway. Again, looking out to the back. Just gonna get the closet open for you. Okay, the main bathroom that these 2 bedrooms would share is right here. Again, your shower tub combo, vanity. You'll notice a lot of the time you're not gonna see mirrors in these new construction homes. Just something you're gonna need to get yourself. I know it's odd walking into like a bathroom and not seeing a mirror. Took me a while to get used to. Long ago anyway. So this is your laundry room, and your attic hatch is right here as well. So your laundry will go here, and they've got some nice shelving right here. Yeah. And finally, this is your primary bedroom. So I'll give you a look in. It's a good size. It's more long than it is a square. So I think the head of your bed would go up against that wall. It's the only practical way to use it. But there's certainly lots of space because it is deep. It comes out deep here. Get a baseboard heater. I'm gonna tuck myself into the corner here. So this goes out to the front of the house, is the way it looks. Now you're gonna have your walk-in closet here as you enter on into your ensuite bathroom. Give a look at it here. I've negated to turn that light on because it's so bright coming in from outside. So you have your double vanity here. Nice tile flooring. Tiled shower all the way to the ceiling. Glass slider door. And some shelving. All right, so this is, again, the Harvest floor plan. It's a lot of house, a great value for like turnkey new construction. To get this at $665,000 or less is a great value in my opinion. And they didn't waste any space upstairs here. They've just left this hallway. It's, you know, they don't have this extra space in the hallway for no reason. And you can tell because the bedrooms are really good sizes. So they've invested that space back into the bedrooms. So please let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any further questions, again, you know how to reach me, and I will see you on the next tour. Make sure you subscribe.